I have a deck that has a lot of mold on it, or mildew, or something, so I'm going to take just a pressure washer, that I have hooked up, and I have just a turbo nozzle on the end of this, no chemicals at all, and I'm just going to squeeze back and forth to get all this mildew off. You can hurt the wood if you get too close, so try to stay a little bit away from it. But it should take it off nicely. This is pressure treated wood I'm saying. But it'll just clean it up pretty nicely. Just going back and forth. Not getting too close. But that's basically it. If you get too close to your wood trim or something, you could take paint off pretty easily. But so that's it. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe if you want to see more interesting videos.